erosion's going on here. Look at this. Nice brown water. Heading down the ditch. Collecting more of the road. Eroding in the ditch down here. And there we go. Nice dirty water production. This little wetland. That should be absolutely clear. Here, and there used to be this. Here's the upper Zeballos River, and she's honking and brown as can be. It should be clear. We're in a rain and snow event, but regardless, unless there's a landslide, it should be clear. And there's the hydrometric station over there, and there's the cause of all the dirt. Auger. Yeah, this stump in the middle of the upper Zeballos River kind of says it all. You take a little close look at that. That tree was on a bank of the river, but the river must have enlarged because it had to get bigger to accommodate all the extra water. Anyway, here's typical road, logging road here. You can see the fine sediment generation there, and yeah, it all goes down into the Zeballos River. We'll move along. Glad my camera's waterproof, but hey, I think there's something wrong with this drainage here. Ministry of Forests. A little further down the Zeballos main line is another creek, high flow. Not terribly dirty, but it's not clean water either. You can see how it's starting to cut the banks because the catchment area and rate of runoff has been increased per the unit hydrograph is increased from logging. Won't be long till those trees are down here. Here's the upper Zeballos Bridge. We're in pretty good flood here with this rain on snow. I just stopped us. This is the turnoff, the artless turnoff. I think you can probably see the sign right there. Anyway, saving batteries. Here, a little bit past the bridge, the Zeballos River is actually up higher than the road surface. Ooh, kayaker's heaven over here, look. There's a nice creek coming in. Look at the white water here, it's just like blowing over the road almost, eh? Yeah, it's on the road. Looking good here. This river's a honking. Nice and brown. Brought to you from beautiful British Columbia by the Ministry of Forests. Here, a little further down the river, and there's a really big cedar tree busted up and just hanging there. It's been obviously drifting down the river, and we got a nice rain on snow event, but the forest is altered so the river can't handle it anymore. It's no longer in equilibrium. Woohoo, bucket. That would be a kayaker's. Oh, they die right there. Look, now it's going to get steep.
Yeah.
Oh. Should have the drone can't fly over there this way. Okay.
Oh, yeah. It's like 5% of what it looks like.
There's like a ton of water going down the side of the Forest Service road. It's eroding the road every time it rains, and it's disturbed. And then it goes down way down to eventually there's a little culvert. Inadequate culverting. There we are. A little further down the Zeballos River, there's the road. Shows you how close it is. Pretty impressive water volume.
More examples of the road along Zeballos Road here. It's collecting and intercepting flow and channelizing it. Everywhere there's a hill cut, water's brought to the ground, water's brought to the surface, as you can see here now. It's not just flowing in the creek, so it's hustled on its way to the river, and the retention time of a water particle in the river is reduced because it goes to the river faster when it's gathered up like this in ditches. And it's the ditches eroding, every bit of disturbance on the road is going in this river. It's absolutely loaded with sand. You have to get pictures of that when the water drops. You can see this. I'm sure ministry would argue that it can't go over the side, but it did for thousands of years, and it's all a bedrock canyon on our left. This needs culverts in here. I don't think I've seen a culvert on this hill. Have you yet, Jamie? Right next to the stable, that ditch, but
There's the river.
okay, stop. Let's just watch the debris for a minute.
I'm trying to, I just saw another big piece of wood coming down, but I missed it with the camera. I'm just going to watch here for a minute. I hope I'm not wasting my camera shots. Not a lot of wood at the moment. Little pieces you see from now. I don't know if we'll even see it. Here comes a broken up piece of wood right there, all smashed up. I don't know if you even seen it in a few more pieces. All the wood has been exported, is being exported from the river every time this happens. And it's in broken up little places from logging. Okay. This is the Zeballos River main bridge there, and I want you to see, notice the surge from the standing waves, but over on this bank, on the far side, you'll notice the waves are flashing at the bank, like under that rock. See the surge? The little waves going up and down? That's eroding at high water. You guys probably got to armor that. Drive back out here a bit, I'll back it out. See the work where you guys did it over the groin over here? What it looks like at high water? Okay. Looks like I'm getting a little bit of water on the lens there. But anyway, here's your groins here in the river. Zeballos River. Looks like it's deflected the flow somewhat, but there's still this back eddy. And of course, ongoing loss of large woody debris out of the river. There she goes. And how many cubic meters per hour are going out and have gone out in the past? Hey Peggy, how's it going? That river. Yeah, this is just above the canyon. A little bit of wood boom by here. This is the new bridge here. You can see down that side, it's looks to be backing up water because the main river is so high because of the constriction at the falls. But Yeah, there's your new bridge, and no floodplain's flooded. There's Zeballos River Canyon. Did she get in? Oh, wow.
Yeah,
This is the Zeballos River Canyon. And this constriction here is what's blocking the river back there. This is the Zeballos Bridge looking upstream of town. There's some wood going by down there already. Look at that. It's pretty wild out here. And down below there, past our tour guide there, Mr. James. It's pretty nasty out there too. High water in Zeballos. This is the bridge. That everybody would know if they've been to Zeballos. Here comes more wood being lost. Look at it all. If you look way up here, that looks like the remnants of the log we just saw a minute ago going over the waterfall. It looks a little shorter after it came out of the canyon. But yeah, it was about that size. You can see little chunks coming with it. And we just drove straight here, so it didn't take it long to come flying out of there. Wow. Must be a nice day out here in Zeballos Inlet. There's the Coast Guard's in here hiding. I guess that'd be DFO. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a DFO boat. Hiding in ahead of the territory here at the docks. Real high tide, but you can't see all the garbage from the river. The wood, I mean. This is the Zeballos Falls, and there's a bunch of wood going disappearing here. Wait for a minute. I don't know if you can see it, but there is wood coming down there. It's like a second growth tree coming here in a second. You'll be able to see it coming in from the left here in a minute. Here comes the tree. There goes the tree, never to be seen again. More wood coming down the other side up there, eh? Wood being lost there. Here comes a nice log. Piece of old growth gone.